Now, when I say glass, what would you typically think of? Perhaps the cups in your house made of glass, or the windows in your office that is glass. But the material can be used in far more creative ways than one. Glass can be an art form. Watch this. At Terrafuse, you can melt glass, blow glass, or transform pieces in 2D objects. Coming up this Sunday is a workshop where the general public has the opportunity to appreciate this art form.
This Sunday, we're presenting the final works of the workshop. During this presentation, we asked the public to come experience the glass as a sort of journey into what is glass and the possibilities of forms, shapes, sounds, and even smells that the glass makes, and how they're put together as a work of art, or as a meditative state, or as a story that someone told through the glass.
Those involved with the presentations promises the event to be a one-of-a-kind experience.
Sunday we invite you to see it's one experience. I think you don't have the facility to see in many places, and they made all real. I hope you're going to enjoy, okay? How is the glass, how is the beginning of the glass, how they coming, how you can manage, and we are invite you to enjoy.
This weekend's demonstration incorporated aspects of Aruba into the glass pieces in order to make the experience even more authentic.
During this workshop, we had done research on our beautiful island, on the history, the indigenous history, as well as our current, our ocean, our beaches, our people, and our experiences here. So everything is influenced in the way we work with the objects that we make or how we set it up. So it is very nice to walk through nature and find these objects or find these installations that show this story.
The students and teachers of the workshop encourages the community to support this unique type of art.
This is something very unique. There are not many of this kind of activity here in Aruba, so it is very nice to share, and we want the public's support.
The open house at Terrafuse takes place Sunday, April 12th from 2 to 6 p.m.